Did you know cloves were once worth more than gold? These tiny spices aren't just for cooking, they've been used for over 2,000 years in medicine, and for good reason. People even relied on cloves during the Black Plague, stuffing them into masks for protection. Before modern dentistry, clove oil was the go-to for toothaches, numbing pain naturally, just like today's dental anesthetics, but without the chemicals. Cloves are packed with antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. That means they don't just numb pain, they actively fight infections, candida, and harmful microbes. What happens when you drink clove water at night? Better sleep, naturally relaxes your body and mind. Improved digestion, fights bloating, gas, and indigestion. Clears lungs, helps with coughs, congestion, and asthma. Boosts circulation, supports heart health and blood flow. Strengthens immunity, fights bacteria, viruses, and infections. Freshens breath and protects teeth. Natural mouthwash that kills bacteria. How to make clove water. 1. Take 4 to 5 whole cloves and place them in a cup of water. 2. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer for 5 minutes. 3. Cover the pot while it simmers to trap the beneficial vapors. 4. Let it cool for 1 hour, then store it in the fridge. 5. Drink 30 minutes before bed for maximum benefits. That's it. If it's too strong, add a little honey. Clove water is a simple, natural remedy that supports your health in so many ways. Have you ever tried it? Drop your thoughts in the comments.